Today we will be installing on an IPSO washing machine, 40 pounds and up. You will need a transformer for this without the spades on the end because we will be crimping. First, take your coin side, and if it is not already applied, apply the double spades as shown. Next, remove the existing spades from the coin mechanism. Pull these out so you can see them more easily. The orange wire will go to our black wire. Untangle them a little bit so you have some slack. Make sure that they're snugly on there. Then, the plain white one will go to the purple. Again, make sure that it is snugly on there. Place the white and purple double spade on the innermost spade connector, spade post. Push it down so that it is firm. Then put the black one with the orange wire on the outermost spade. It should look like this. Next, we're going to crimp the power. The power is typically found on the right side of the board and can consist of a blue and a brown and white wire, or just a blue and brown wire, depending on which model you have. We're going to place our taps. For this, I am using vampire taps. We recommend that you use T-taps. Make sure that they're placed on the wires correctly. Then connect our blue wire to the blue wire on the machine. Make sure that if you're using vampire taps, you squeeze them down enough. Finally, attach the MIB to the end of the 24-pin connector and mount the MIB inside the machine.